What are the key enablers that can make systemic transitions to healthier soils possible?
Yeah, we have in the European Union, we have been working with environmental protection for many years. We have been protecting water and air for centuries, no, not centuries, decades actually, and it's first now that we start the transitions towards healthy, sustainable soil practices. This soil monitoring law was sort of the first step towards healthy soils in Europe. The soil monitoring law was not as firm as we would expect it. There's, for example, no binding goals for the member states in the soil monitoring law. So we expect sort of the legislation system to come up with goals on a later stage. But for now, the focus will be on education and teaching farmers on what to do if they have unhealthy soils. The main driver from my perspective towards healthy soil will be the CAP system, the Common Agricultural Policy, which has been used for many years to promote agricultural production in the European Union. It has definitely not supported sustainability in the agriculture. So I think it's very crucial that the CAP system now will support the soil monitoring law and sort of support the farmers towards healthier soil practices.
What do you think about the set of indicators that were included in the recent soil monitoring law? Is there some space for improvement in your opinion?
The set of indicators in the soil monitoring law has been a big argument in the scientific system, and I think it's a good set of indicators we have now. We don't know anything, and a lot of the soil mission projects are actually working on developing new soil health indicators. In the soil monitoring law, it's also indicated that we should make a revision of this after the first round of soil monitoring. So I think it's a good starting point, and we know a lot of the key soil health indicators are in this list in the soil monitoring law. So I think it's a good sort of simple way to do it for now.
Okay, thank you. And what practical support will farmers or practitioners in general get to measure them?
In the AI for Soil Health project, we're actually working on a pan-European map which can support at least policymakers. The number of points in our databases is simply not sufficient to support farmers on field level, but I think when the soil monitoring system progresses and we get more and more data, this sort of these mapping activities across Europe will actually support the farmers in benchmarking their soil against their peers in agriculture.
And in the AI for Soil Health, your goal is to develop an app to advise farmers, like you said. How can it help them develop a sustainable business model?
The app is actually a very important part of this, because the app is linking the farmers and his result from soil analysis into the centralized databases. So he actually can make this benchmarking. So he knows, is he above expected, is he below expected? And he also knows which indicators are, for example, is a problem for him. For example, he has low carbon content. And if he has low carbon content, then he knows perhaps a set of measures he can do to improve the soil carbon content in his soil. So I think that app will be sort of a key tool for the farmers and for the practitioners to improve his soil on the long run.